Hello everyone! Today, we are going to talk about planting seeds by the end of January for an early harvest. As we all know, starting seeds early can give us a head start on our gardening season and ensure that we have fresh, delicious produce to enjoy all year long. First, let's discuss the best time to sow seeds. The ideal time would be between the last week of January and the first week of February. This is because it is during this time that our seeds will have had enough time to sprout and reach the optimal temperature required for growth. Now, let's talk about the types of seeds that you can sow during this time. Some great options for early harvesting include vegetables like tomatoes, peppers, and eggplant, as well as herbs like basil and parsley. Seeds can be sown directly into soil or started indoors in trays before transplanting to the garden. When it comes to planting, it's essential to use the right soil and containers. For seeds that are sown directly into soil, make sure to use well-draining soil and follow the seed packet instructions for planting depth. For seeds started indoors, use pots or trays with specific planting holes to ensure that your seeds are correctly positioned. Lastly, let's not forget about watering and fertilizing. Be sure to water your seeds regularly, especially in the first few weeks, to help them establish a good root system. Additionally, you may want to use a slow-release fertilizer to support healthy growth and development. In summary, sow these plants by the end of January for an early harvest, and you'll be well on your way to enjoying fresh, delicious vegetables and herbs all season long. Happy gardening!